Was it like
It was a
nothing,
hill.
a little hill, but
Yeah, there was
yeah.
like nothing there. It was like a little hill that could normally jump over bigger ones.
Yeah, I've experienced that before. Yeah, good move. We're about to head straight towards a District 9. Could be an ambush.
Doors are open, maybe? No.
The doors are open. Oh, the truck. Oh, God. People on our left! Keep going. There's a rock, right? Now do left.
Okay.
They were behind a rock. Surprised I didn't shoot. Oh, yeehaw. Let's keep the car close by.
Where?
Ah, fuck. To the left? Ah, fuck, I don't know, man. Left. Hit those, compound right there. I think it's a high loot, maybe? Yeah, in here. Hide the truck.
How about? I'll move.
There's a motorcycle here.
There's a drink in this one. Let's clear it out. This fucking map makes me feel like it goes, it's like serious up lows and highs. I heard impact on us.
Oh, yeah, it's coming from District 9 up the hill.
See him? Yep, I see him. 165 by a dead, abandoned car. He's headshot.
There is a metal fence with a shed. He's peeking out the door, shooting.
I knocked my guy. We gotta go. Let's go ahead and get this, take this opportunity while he's picking up to get to the car and go. Maybe drive around right to there and hit them, because they're up, they're ahead of us.
Before we get in, let me take a picture.
No, he's by the truck, 170, he's up. He's running. They're running to the bike. Front tire's out, let's go.
Ready when you are.
Jeez, that was shoot.
In.
In.
I'm in.
Do not go towards the hill. Not the way I wanted to go, but it's okay.
I don't know which way you want it.
I know, well, you gotta go, it'll be on your left. Circle is to your left. There's not a lot of options or cover. There's a District 9. Slam it into a tree. I'm out. No, the truck's here.
Bike's moving. I can hear him driving it.
I'm heading to District 9. We might be able to hit him because they will only have one wheel.
It's right here. It's right in front of me.
Well, I'm coming.
Right at this rock, right in front of you, Baron. You're running at it.
Yep.
Coming up to me. Come to me, Baron.
I didn't get him in time.
Need to get to moving. My headset's about to die. Baron, there is a crate here, but it's been hit. There's a level 2 chest on it.
Fantastic.
Just do a run by and pick that up. We're heading to Madonna.
Jumpy?
Sorry. When I opened the door, I saw what I thought was a gun breaking through. So I started shooting. And my headset started beeping at me like it was low battery.
We should probably head to Madonna.
Madonna might have people in it. There's a health kit up here. Shrinks on. People are coming in from west, south, 230. That was close.
Yeah, it was.
The one I was shooting at is now dead by someone else. Are you on the other side of top?
I am. I'm not outside, but I'm out
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
That SKS is southeast, probably the other side of these bales. Only 6 alive.
Both teams are to the south. I see one.
Yeah. Let them fight it out, huh?
That one's dead. 4 left. 2 and 2.
It's got to be these guys down here then.
I'm pushing forward a little bit to the edge of the town. Just to get better eyes. You stay up high. You stay up high. Stay up high in that building.
I moved to a new one.
Yeah. Eyes. It's due south of me. 2 of them. In the field. One's knocked.
Need that bitch.
Flanking right.
Oh, look at the Arty strike!